Let's make a milk cake together. In the authentic recipe, they use acetic acid to get texture. We are using lemon juice. You'll get a perfect texture. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. Please read the tips for better results. On a high heat, on a bottom thick pan, add 2 liters of milk 3%. Stir continuously. This is the most important step. Bring to boil, let it start simmering like this. Squeeze some lemon juice onto a bowl. Drizzle few drops at a time like this. Don't overpour the lemon juice. You can see the milk starts breaking. Stir continuously. Scrape the sides. That's a very important step when you cook this milk cake. Equal intervals, drop lemon juice more and more. You can see big milk particles. You can use a spoon and drop by drop lemon juice. Let it reduce, or if you're confident, squeeze lemon juice straightly into it, but make sure it is drop by drop. Reduce it, stir continuously. You can see water starts evaporating. Stir continuously. Add 1.5 cup of sugar. Combine well and stir continuously to a sugar caramel color and consistency like this. 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Give a quick stir. 1 tablespoon of ghee. Combine well. Let it get a nice color. Add 1 more tablespoon of ghee. Combine well. Onto a mold, drizzle some ghee. Brush it all over. Transfer into a mold. Press it gently. 1 teaspoon of ghee on the top. Spread it all over. Place a parchment paper on the top. Cover the mold with a thick kitchen towel. Do it one more time to keep the heat inside for a better product. Cover it and rest for at least 6 hours in a little bit warm place. After 6 hours, remove all the kitchen towels. Remove the parchment paper from the top. Demold the milk cake. You will get a beautiful milk cake. You can cut either triangle, square, or diamond. The milk cake we made, it's ready. Now, just one thing. Enjoy and eat. Don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. this recipe? Have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just make sure you